in this case we are going to discuss about the switch case. Switch test, I name it, and then again here I open this class switch test. Switch test means it's just like switch gives you idea, like you have a memory variable here, and this one gives you many options, more than one. Then this, for example, suppose I see this is my day number and day, and I put, if I put one here, this becomes Sunday, and this is my variable x or whatever is it. But this content of this variable, whatever is the content of this variable, that variable only will determine what you are going to have. So it's just like one to many kind of situation, like one, and then from here you have this, and then this. So if condition is the condition first becomes true, do this block of code, and this is called case 1, case 2, and this is called as case 3. And what is this? This is your case variable. So now I just try to code it again. So here I have, this is my int x is the case variable, then I enter a number here, int a, this is n stands for number of days, and when x value go here, then I have this function, return type is not required, and then show new argument passing to this also. Then here I have to write my cases here inside this. And how will I write? Since it is int, then I'll write switch, and this is my case variable n, so switch n, and then curly bracket, you write like this, case 1 colon, enter, and here you can write system, whatever you want to write, the block of code, system dot out dot println Sunday, and then you write here break, means there is nothing you can do. So I need 7 such instances. I just so case 1, then there I write yes, then case 3, case 4, case 5, case 6, case 7. So this is case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5. In real time we make menus with this case variable, 5, 6, 7. So Sunday, then we have Monday, and you know, out of all these only one will be true. Tuesday. That makes it more beautiful. It's just like one out of many. So Tuesday, and then Wednesday, and only one will be executed. That's why the break is there, because after doing that we don't need without it needs to come out of this body of this block. So Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And if there is one more we need to write, that is called as default. Means if user enters some wrong number, because a programmer should always be fearful of users, because they have a tendency to make or break the system. System dot out dot println, right, enter correct number, and here you don't have to provide the break, because after this it is automatically going to get out of the body of this. This is the body of the switch. Curly brackets are actually the body of these things. So this is the body of the inside the body of the show I have the body of a switch variable. So now x is a, this is fine. Let's compile. There is the error is n is here, it should be n, there is the n, there is the error. Nice, everything is fine. So now see, it's done. Now I create the object and I pass 1. So, and then I right click on this, show. So Sunday, I create one more object, switch case 2, I write here 4, then it goes and it show. Why it goes behind, man? This is Wednesday. Now one more object, you stay on the top. One more object, and here I enter 12, then I say run it. So it says enter correct number. This is all about the switch cases. Now some more tricks, like suppose if my variable is not int, it is char. This is a very famous say. We know that the spectrum of the rainbow colors spectrum formed because of the reflection of light, this called as Vibgyor. So if case is like that, then char. So what you have to write, then this is a char variable. So char means this single code like this v, then here you can write violet. If it is vib I, and then you can write indigo. If there is b, and then you can write blue, and if there is vib g, then it is green, and if it is y, then it is yellow. If it is O, then this is orange. And if it is R, then this is red. Okay, now I write here one more thing. If case is R, then what will happen? Let's see. Compile. So saved. Here just pay attention to this thing, because Java is a case sensitive programming language. Small r is different than capital R. Let's see how it works. So create object, creating, I pass small r, then right click, show, then where is my color? Red. Now if I again create a new one, and here I enter capital R, and then if I run show, so this is also showing red. It means if you want to like remove the idea of case sensitivity, you do not know, you cannot ask the user to enter this. Otherwise there are some mechanism, like whenever user enters whatever here, you just convert it automatically. Like if user enters into a small letter, you just directly convert this into the its respective upper cases. That case also it automatically become upper, and then you don't have to deal with the lower case. But if you want to just have the user free run whatever he enters, you're not bothered only, then you can combine these two cases like that. I hope you understand better way, and slowly you will understand more. Stay tuned to us, and then you will understand the power of switch cases better. Thank you very much. Subscribe to our channel, and we are making a good series, so and we will be sharing you some informations about homework also, so please stay tuned with us, subscribe to our channel.